Howdy folks, Jimmy Weller with Weller's Utility Trailers. We got this trailer here. This is not an entry-level trailer. This is a rock-solid trailer and it comes out of Georgia. 7 by 16, but it has extra height, 6 foot 6 inches. So your standard person walking in wouldn't have to duck. Has the ramp door with the extension flap. Sidewall vents, one on each side, driver side, passenger side, so it gets some circulation while you're driving down the road. This trailer's standard with a V-nose. It's not an extra option. They throw it in because they think that you should have it because it is an added benefit. It's going to save you some gas mileage. It also gets you a little bit of room. The walls are 3/8 inch. That's not standard on all trailers. Some are Luan. The 3/8 is stronger, so this is a stronger built trailer than your basic trailer. 16-inch cross members on the walls and the floor. Also, not all trailers have that. Some are 24 inches. So this one being 16 inches is also a stronger built trailer. Excuse me. Brakes on both axles. Does have easy lube wheel bearings. So you don't have to take the hubs apart to grease the bearings. You just stick a grease gun on the end of the hubs and shoot grease in there. It'll grease both bearings. All LED lights all the way around. This is a great trailer to have, rock solid, built right in America, Georgia. So give me, Jimmy, a call, 302-337-8228. I'm here at Weller's Tuesday through Friday, 9 to 5, Saturday, 8 to 2. You can check out Wellers.com 24/7. We have financing available, we have rent to own, and we also have a full service shop. So come check us out.